With a very short 2-week timeline to complete a full van build, we are in a bit of self-inflicted chaos, but we have a solar installation date with the Chuck Cassidy in a few days and many a beachside margarita to drink with our friends Jen and Charlie in Baja. So we have no time to waste. Let the renovations begin.
It is now dark out. I'm still out here. I just got done pulling all the staples out of the floor. That was a very tedious task, but better than like 2,000 rivets on the bus. But that's all taken care of, and now I'm gonna start taking apart the toilet shower area so we can reconfigure it into something different. Look at all that space.
Look at all those chickens.
Whoa.
That opens it up a lot.
Yeah. Aww. Wow, she looks so clean. Wow. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it's all gone. Holy smokes. That feels like so much space.
So now we gotta figure out what we want to do with it. I also took out the propane heater. We have a lot of space to work with now. Well, a lot, but... Hello.
It's officially day 3 of the build. We've pretty much got everything torn out. Now we need to finalize some design options so that we know exactly what we're dealing with and what we're doing, and we can just power through, because as far as Danny's schedule goes, we've only got a week and a half. We've really got a lot of work to do to get this to where it needs to be. Send good vibes. Sometimes this whole process seems a little extreme. 2 weeks and a looming deadline and so much to figure out. But this time around, we're feeling much more capable and confident about our abilities.
Wow, sorry I haven't taken you along on the journey today. I've been working. This piece cut here, this was taller. We're extending the countertop over a little bit further. Pulled out the water heater because we never used our water heater in the bus. Pulled the propane heater out of there. We're gonna go with a diesel heater. Countertop's out, sink's out, stovetop is out. I am in the process of making the new countertop, I guess. Well, that looks pretty snazzy. Heck yeah. This is where things go bad real quick. Cutting the hole for the stovetop. We're just gonna send it. Oh, I should have a headlamp or something. That's better. Alright, does it fit? First try. No, too small. Alright, here we go. We're just eyeballing it, you know, the best way to be precise. Oh, I see. I cut crooked. There we go.
It's officially build day 4 over here. We are taking measurements for everything on the interior so I can order new cushions, bed, new sink, and what else do I need to order? Lots of stuff. I don't know. Oh, flooring. Yes, flooring. Would it ruin your flow if I asked you sink size?
Sink will come down to here. Hopefully I can make it so the plumbing kind of weaves around the other drawers and stuff.
Okay. Just found out that our Selling the Bus video is a 1 out of 10, which in YouTube terms means it's the best video you've created in the past 10 videos, which feels really, really good. So hopefully this next video we chit chat about this gal will be a 1 out of 10 too. Be a nice streak to keep going, who knows? But just because you have a 1 out of 10 video doesn't mean you know what the hell you're doing, because I just spent a whole morning filming, figuring out cushion lengths, and I'm just gonna do something different anyway. So I just wasted all that time filming, but you'll get a little montage anyway. Demi is getting some, oh, not Demi. That's not her name. We don't even have a name for her yet. The van is getting new tires today because the ones we have are pretty much flat and done for. So they're gonna install all 4 new tires. They're all-terrain.
I'm Ron Burgundy? Damn it! Who typed a question mark on the teleprompter?
They're all-terrain, so they're a little bit rugged, and we may get spacers so they bump out a little bit and just look a little beefier, because we're not gonna do a lift kit or anything fancy for now.
I guess it is kind of an unboxing video. So I guess I gotta pull the whole thing out. Oh yeah. It fits. Awesome. Stoked. Out of my mind. So excited. Perfect fit. Check this out. They already have the wires right here waiting for me, so I don't have to run anything. Well, I was about to cut the hole, but I don't have any butyl tape. I'm to run to Home Depot. Hopefully they have some. Maybe I should look on the website first. Also, I didn't film any of this, but I rerouted the plumbing. So it goes from the water tank there, behind that wood panel, and to the water pump, and then boop, up and under into here, because that's where the sink goes. So smooth, because our battery bank and all of our electrical solar stuff is going to go in this area here, so tried to make it nice and clean for Chucky boy.
Just drove. It's the perfect time to eat. Just drove about 50 minutes into the city to get this sink that we wanted from Facebook Marketplace. The guy thought I was a scammer because I don't have a large Facebook account, and I guess that's kind of what you get for trying to forget all of your old high school classmates and everyone you've been friends with since you created your Facebook account. I have like 18 pictures and 5 friends, so he thought I was fake. I told him I was real and gave him some confidence, and everything else went smoothly. So
unboxing number 2 for the night. Ooh, cool.
it's like a matte silver gray.
Alright, got the template on there and going to cut out the sinkhole. There's that hole. Hopefully this is actually Kelson J Precision this time. What do you think? First try? I don't even have confidence. But I always like to cut smaller so that you can make the hole bigger, because you can't add wood, you can just take it away. That sounded weird. Oh. Ah, so close. Alright, a little bit wider. Alright, no wires, anything under there. Got that in. We're gonna put the sink and the stovetop in to see how they look. Cute. All right, so we're not gonna install these completely. I still have some wiring and some plumbing stuff I gotta do underneath here. So one of the things I've learned through one bus build and now a van build is don't finish things if you don't have to. Not because you're procrastinating, but because it's gonna make other processes or other projects easier. I'm Chuck Cassidy. Pulled that out because I'm trying to figure out where all these wires go. There's a bunch of dead wires in there that aren't being used for anything, so trying to just clear out all the stuff that we aren't using and gonna reroute them over to where the battery bank is gonna be. So in here, I don't understand. I've cleared out a bunch of wires already, and why do you have to like zigzag wires and do weird angles and stuff when you're building these things new? I just don't get it.
I understand nothing.
So I'm going to reroute everything, make it look nice and clean and neat, and that way I know nothing's gonna go bad on me. This old inverter thing down here, the wires are like, I'm pushing on them and they're breaking, so we definitely need a new one.
It's build day 5. Today I am going to be freshening up the cushions. We're not getting a new mattress pad. This foam works just fine and it's the exact size that we need. I just got a new mattress topper and mattress cover, but I'm gonna freshen this up because the owners did have the van in their garage for a while. So I just wanna make sure everything smells as good as possible. From what the internet has told me, the way to freshen up foam is to sprinkle baking soda on top of the mattress, let it just chill for a little bit, pat the baking soda off, and then spray with vinegar water. And that should kind of get out the musty smell in the foam. Also, what did people do before the internet? How did people just know this stuff or figure this stuff out? I do feel like that looks a little ridiculous, and I really feel like maybe this isn't gonna work. I don't know. Worth a shot, right? I'm trying to make sure do not pee on the mattress. Stay away from it. Next project on the list is to remove all the hardware from the drawers and cabinets that we're replacing. We're gonna put new faces on the cabinets to make them a little bit more modern, so we don't need the hardware we have on currently. New hardware is being ordered for both the drawers, cabinets, and the little overhead slides. I think if you have a dream and believe in your possibilities, you have all that it takes to make that life a reality. Sure, this process may seem easy for us, but what you don't see is the other 90 hours we don't film. The late nights, and the driving to Home Depot for the 8th time, and the wasted product because we made the wrong cuts. But it's all worth it because we love this life. And we're excited to explore this big, beautiful world in our dream van.
Yes. I'm gonna wire it up now, and then we'll put the finishing trim on it. And she's in, all completed. Now I can check it off my list. Such a good feeling.
With only 8 days left until we're set to leave to Colorado, we have a lot to do. New floors, a brand new closet space, and a lot of small details that take a lot of time. We really have our work cut out for us, and I hope we have enough time to do it all. With that being said, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. We love our community and really want you to be a part of everything that we do. We'll see you on Wednesday. Bye, fam.